For this video, I just wanted to give you a quick overview. We've been doing some problems, but some people have asked me questions about what kind of math I need to know for the SAT. So I went to a site called Magoosh, and it's a tutoring site. And if you'll notice, you'll see some different things that you can do here. You can actually get a 1-week free trial. It wouldn't be a bad idea to do the week before you take the SAT. So the new SAT, it's very out there. Khan Academy, you can enroll in Khan Academy and work on it as hard as you want to, or as light as you want to, if you want to cram or whatever. A couple things here. So here's the basic facts, and they're telling you the amount of time and the number of questions, and so you know how much time you have per question. It's not a bad idea to take a practice test and plan for the time. And so you know you don't want to spend too much time on any one question, and if you can get a question quicker, then you buy time for other questions. So it's a fairly tight timeline, but it's not ridiculous. 80 minutes, 58 questions on the math section. And the interesting thing, I think, is the math on the SAT is not calculus and trigonometry. There's very little of that. It's more problem solving and algebra. And so if you look at the breakdown of the test, the heart of what you need to know is in those areas. They mentioned that trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA, would be worth reviewing, but there's probably only going to be a couple questions in the additional topics in math that have to do with that. Heart of algebra would be simple linear equations, and probably not going to give you a linear equation. You're going to have to find it somehow through a word problem and then be able to solve for one variable. So there's a couple examples there. Problem solving, data analysis, pie charts, graphs, that sort of thing. Ratios and percents. You definitely want to make sure that you have a good concept, whether you learned is over of equals percent over 100, or if you just changed decimals to percents to decimals. You want to be able to do that. So again, some practice questions would brush you up on some of that. Passport to advanced math, higher order polynomials, we've done some of those. Mostly they're going to be inside of a word problem, and you might have some exponents to deal with, and you're definitely going to have word problems there, and some different looks at exponents. So this is just kind of a general overview. We'll do a few problems now in the next video.